Put it on there. Here, look. Push it down. Push.
Can you put your hat on?
Where is it?
It's in the oven.
I don't know where it is. Do you know where the blue one is?
Push it.
Not
Put
in
it on
your-
there and push.
Thanks, G Daddy.
There you go.
And push them on.
First one you put right in his mouth.
Break it off.
What's he doing?
He's doing some of the kisses.
Push
Push
it.
it.
Push it.
Push it. Push it. There you go.
Good.
That's a good one.
Are you taping them?
Whoa! A little too
Oh,
hard.
that was a squat. Here, use this one.
Gentle.
Gentle, easy.
Push gentle.
Push it in, real nice.
Nice. Very
Good
nice.
job.
Whoops,
Oh,
stop
let
Just leave it
go.
there, though.
Stop it.
Good job.
You give him
Let
the
go
big-
now.
Maybe I should show him.
That would be good, James. Great idea.
Show him how to do it, James. Good job.
Oh. He's putting two in one.
Oh, Colin's destroying our cookie.
Okay, chef.
Colin,
He said I can't be a chef.
Kyle.
No, you didn't.
I think he wants to eat it instead.
So silly.
So